How to upload profile picture on AliExpress account. Are you guys facing issues to upload profile picture on AliExpress? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Chrome on your laptop or mobile devices. Once you open the Chrome, search for AliExpress website. After you enter the website, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see a profile icon. Click on it. Now, simply tap on Settings. After you click on Settings, you can see this option for Upload Profile Picture. Tap on it. Now again click on Upload. After you click on Upload, now browse through the folder that you want to keep as a profile picture. Once you select the image, click on Open. Now check this box and click on Submit. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna upload your profile picture on AliExpress. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you guys have any issues regarding AliExpress, make sure to comment down below. Bye bye.